We are doing the chapter options in derivatives, where we have been doing a very simple straightforward area called as option strategies. Today we will be completing few more problems in the option strategies, then discuss two concepts called as short selling and continuous compounding. Already we are aware of short selling, so we should be only discussing regarding the continuous compounding. Once it is completed, we'll start discussing about the theoretical boundaries for the option value or option price. From there, we start with the area called as option valuation. Remaining chapter is all about the valuation of options. From there, only the real chapter starts. Now, stop talking, please. Let us summarize what is done in this chapter, options till now, before I proceed further. Option is a contract which gives its holder a right, and writer it imposes an obligation. This option contract can be of two types: call option, put option. Call option gives its holder the right to buy an underlying asset at an agreed price called as strike price on a particular date called as maturity. I want silence, please. Can I proceed? Now, call option gives its holder the right to buy an underlying asset at an agreed price called as strike price on a particular date called as maturity date. The call option holder pays a premium to the writer for getting that particular option. That is a consideration for the option. Put option gives its holder a right to sell an underlying asset at a particular date called as maturity date at an agreed price called as strike price. Again, put option holder pays its writer the premium as a consideration for the option. On the maturity date, the holder will decide, the writer will abide. What the holder will decide, whether to exercise the option or lapse the option. If the situation is profitable or favorable to him, he will be exercising it. Otherwise, he will be allowing the option to lapse. In case of call option, if the FSP greater than strike price, he will be exercising the option. If the FSP is less than strike price, he will be allowing the option to lapse. Put option, when the FSP is greater than strike price, he will allow the option to lapse. When FSP is less than strike price, he will be exercising the option. Then, the option when it is exercisable, it is said to be in the money. Not exercisable said to be out of money, and indifferent means at the money. The options can be of two types: European option and then American option. European option gives the holder the right to exercise only on maturity date. American option gives the holder right to exercise anytime before the maturity date. We saw the payoff patterns for a holder and writer of a call option and then put option. We have seen that holder's maximum loss always is restricted to premium. Writer's maximum profit is always restricted to premium. At the same time, holder can make unlimited profit and writer can have an unlimited loss. In case of call option, put option also holder can make great profit. The profit the holder can make is nothing but the strike price minus the premium part. Gives you the maximum profit the holder can make in case of put option. Question is arise, writer is having only a restricted profit. Why should a person become writer? Writer will be compensated through the premium based on the risk of the asset cover. The premium also changes. Then we discuss about break-even future spot price. The FSP at which the payoff is zero for the holder and writer of a call option we call as break-even future spot price. Break-even FSP for a call option is strike price plus premium. Break-even FSP for a put option is strike price minus premium, where we ignore the time value of money. Then we started discussing about various option strategies. First we discuss about straddle. Straddle is a strategy where a person is having a call option and put option on the same asset for the same maturity period and with the same strike price also. And if you are holding such a call and put, you should be having a long straddle. If you are writing such a call and put, you should be having a short straddle. Next we discuss about strangle strategy. One problem completed. Strangle is where once again we have a call option and put option. Same asset, same maturity period, but the strike prices are different. Call is having a higher strike price and put is having a lower strike price. Such a strategy we call as strangle strategy. How the payoff behaves only we are discussing. Everybody following or not? Now, this area is somewhat monotonous only. Nothing great is discussed. Different strategy, cash flow patterns or payoff patterns is being discussed. Invest straddle will be having a pattern like a V. For a long straddle and then what? A, like a short straddle. And for strangle we have like a tub for a long strangle. I think all remember or not? Can I proceed for the next? Let us take question number 11. Let's take question number 11, please. Take question number 11. Short strangle. Consider a situation of writing a call as well as a put for the same underlying stock. Stock price of a call option 100. Strike price of the call option 100. Strike price of the put option 90. Premium for call is 20. Premium for put is 12. Compute the payoff and the possession value of the holder from the given prices on future spot of 50 to 150 with an interval of 10. Is a question that has been asked. Okay, now all of you tell me, call option or put option or call and put option or call and put option. Same asset or different asset or same asset. Same term or different term, same term. Same price or different strike price, different strike price. Call strike price is higher. Put strike price is lower. Such a strategy we call as what? Strangle strategy. We are going to be writer or holder or writer. So we are going to have what strangle? Short strangle. Everybody yes or no? Now, as a writer, answer me. 20 rupees premium and 12 rupees premium will be paid by us or received by us or received by us. I am going to receive a premium of how much rupees? 32. That is point number 1. Next is call strike price is 100, put strike price is 90. Who will decide? I will decide. The holder will decide. The holder will decide. What the holder will decide? When the FSP is more than 100, he will be exercising the call option. When the FSP is less than 90, he will be exercising put option. FSP between 90 and 100, he will be what? Indifferent. That is what is the various strategies the holder will adopt for the various FSPs. Can I start or not? Now, let's start doing the solution to the problem together. Let us do it together now. Please open the following columns. Stop talking. Shall I proceed on? Finish home with the columns or not? No. All of you should participate and write together. I want you to answer. Can we start up? No. FSP is 50. I want to answer. What is the call strike price? 100. What is the put strike price? When the call will be exercised? When the FSP is more than 100. Till 100 rupees, the value of the call will be 0. When the put will be exercised? FSP is less than 90. Till less than 90, the put will be what? Exercise. Now, can we start or not? No. We are a holder or writer? Writer. Who will be exercising? The holder. Can we start or not? No. Will call be exercised or lapse? Lapse. The value is 0. I pay premium or receive premium? Receive. How much premium? 20. The payoff is 20. Will put be exercised? Yes. The holder of the put will sell to me at how much rupees? 90 rupees. A share what? 50. He makes how much profit? 40. I make how much loss? Minus 40. So it is going to be minus 40. What is the premium received on the put option? 12. Now tell me what is the net payoff? It is going to be minus 28. 20 minus 20 and gives you minus 8. Next step. FSP is 60. Tell me call will be exercised or lapse? Lapse. The payoff is 0. I receive a premium of 20. Apply your mind. What is the payoff? 20. Put will be exercised or lapse? Exercise. The holder is having a right to sell at 90. A share what? 60. He makes a profit of 30. I make a loss of minus 30. What is the premium? 12. What is the payoff? Minus 18. 20 minus 18 gives you 2. Next is what? 70. Will the holder exercise or lapse? Lapse. What is the value? 0. Premium 20. Payoff is 20. And put will be exercise or lapse? Exercise. What is the payoff to the holder? 20. For me it is minus 20. What is the premium? 12. What is the payoff? Minus 8. 20 minus 8 gives you 12. FSP as what? 80. Will I exercise or lapse? Lapse. What is the premium received? 20. What is the payoff? 20. Put option holder will exercise or lapse? Exercise. For him what is the profit? 10. For me the right of loss is minus 10. Premium is 12. What is the payoff? 2. 20 plus 2 gives you 22. I think you are all doing along with me or not? No. Next is what? FSP the holder exercise? No. Lapse 0. Premium 20. Payoff 20. And put option right to sell at 90, a share at 90. What is the value to the holder? 0. For me also 0. Premium 12. What is the payoff? 12. The total payoff is 32. FSP is 100. Will the call option holder exercise or not? No. Oh, if he exercise or lapse, it is going to be what? 0. What is the premium? 20. What is the payoff? 20. Will the put option holder exercise or lapse? Lapse. What is the value of the put? 0. What is the premium? 12. What is the payoff? It is 12. The strangle payoff total is 32. Can I proceed or not? I think this speed, everybody following along with me? Yes, can I put the next slide? Now, continue. FSP 110. FSP, you continue the same table. FSP 110. Will call be exercised or lapse? Exercise. Right to buy at 100, a share worth what? 110. The holder makes a profit of 10. As a writer I lose minus 10. What is the premium? 20. Payoff is 10. What is the value of the put? 0. What is the premium? 12. Payoff is what? 12. The total payoff is 22. I hope everybody understanding it now. Next is 120. Tell me, will the holder of the call exercise or lapse? Exercise. What is that going to have as a profit here? 20. For me the loss is 20. What the premium received? 20. What the payoff? 0. Holder of the put will exercise or lapse? Lapse. What is the value of the put? 0. What is the premium? 12. What is the payoff? Net payoff 12. At 130, will the holder exercise? Yes. Right to buy at 100, a share worth 130. He makes a profit of 30. Writer, I make a loss of 30. Premium received 20. What is the net payoff? Minus 10. Value of the put? 0. What the premium? 12. The payoff is 12. If you see the strangle payoff, I'll be having 2 rupees. 140. Will the call be exercised? Yes. What is the loss to me? Minus 40. What is the premium received? 20. What is the payoff? Minus 20. What is the value of the put? 0. What is the premium? 12. What is the payoff? 12. 12 minus 20 gives you minus 8. At 150, will the call be exercised? Yes. What is the value of the call? Minus 50. What is going to be the premium? 20. What is the straddle payoff? Minus. What is the call payoff? Minus 30. What is the value of the put? 0. What is the premium? 12. And what is the payoff? 12. Minus 30 plus 12 gives you minus 18. These are all the payoffs at different ranges. I want you to respond, everybody, yes or no. Can I proceed further? Now, see. Let us see what is happening. Okay, this is called as what? Short strangle. Now, this is going to be the diagram for a short strangle. I will come back to that later. Let us see the ranges. So, this is how the short triangle looks like. We have x-axis, we have what? Y-axis. What is x-axis? FSP. Y-axis we have what? Payoff. Please, stop talking. So, this I call as 32. What is that here? 32. We have a break-even FSP, we have a break-even FSP. Right or not? Now, tell me, what is the put strike price? Now, what a put strike price is? 90. What is the premium total? 32. What a break-in FSP? Strike price minus premium. 90 minus 32 gives you what? 58. So, we can have this number as what? 58. Yes or no? Now. What is the put strike price? 100. What is the premium? 32. So strike price plus premium gives you what? 132. I call this number as what? 132. Innappa, right or not? Now, next is, and this is going to be obviously the strike price of 90, a strike price of what? 100. Now, just a rough diagram only. Can I proceed or not? Now, if the FSP is below 58, if the FSP is what? Below 58, the payoff will be positive or negative? Negative. Why this person is having a negative payoff? Because of the put writing. Innappa, right or not? Now, if it is above 132, will the payoff be positive or negative? Negative. Why it is negative? Because of call writing. Due to call writing, I will be having a negative payoff after 132. Due to put writing, I will be having what? A negative payoff below 58. And between 58 to 132, I will be having what? Profit. What is the maximum profit? 32. When it will be inside, earned here, between 90 to 100. Now between 90 to 100, both options will be lapsed, and I will be enjoying the full premium of 32 rupees. Innappa, right or not? Now, write down. The payoff behavior. Write down the payoff behavior over different FSPs. The payoff behavior over different future spot price. The payoff behavior over different FSPs. The payoff behavior over different FSPs. Okay. Have two columns. FSP, payoff. Two columns, FSP, and then what? Payoff. Can I start or not? Now, first tell me FSP less than what? 58. FSP, right? Less than 58. FSP less than 58. Answer, payoff is positive or negative? Negative. Write down loss. Write down loss. Payoff write as loss. Because of, I want all of you to be alert. Answer, because of what? Put writing. Because of put writing. Loss because of put writing. Loss because of put writing. Next. Bracket, how I got 58? In bracket write what? 90 minus 32. 58 bracket write 90 minus 32. 90 minus 32. Next. Go to the next item. More than 132. FSP write more than 132. More than 132. Bracket na how I got 132? 100 plus 32. Strike price plus premium na 100 plus 32. Bracket close. Tell me what is the payoff here? Payoff is negative. Sorry, payoff is negative or loss. The payoff is a loss. Payoff is loss. Loss due to what? Call writing. Loss due to call writing. Loss due to call writing. Now, FSP write 58 to 132. FSP write 58 to 132. 58 to 132, I want an answer. Profit or loss? Profit. Profit. And maximum profit is, continue, profit, full stop. And maximum profit is, how much rupees? 32. And maximum profit is 32. For FSPs between, and maximum profit is 32. For the FSPs between what and what? 90 to 100. Maximum profit is 32. For the FSPs between 90 to 100. For the FSPs between 90 to 100. Everybody accepting it or not? No. Please copy this particular chart quickly. Just roughly draw like an inverted tub. Okay, kautu poda tub here. This is going to be what? The shape. Okay, inverted tub. Where it cuts the x-axis equals break-even FSPs. Between 90 to 100 will be flattened surface having 32 as the premium. Okay, please. Shh. Finished, huh? Shall I proceed? Now, with this we have completed straddle and then strangle. Now let's see some strategies called as spreads. Okay, with that we'll be completing this particular slot. Okay, now. First of all, 4 strategies till now we have discussed now. Tell me what are 4 strategies? Long straddle, short straddle, long strangle, short strangle. Long straddle, tell me the strategy, hold a call and hold a put. Hold a call and hold a put. With what? Same strike price, same period, same underlying asset. What is short straddle? Write a call, write a put with same strike price, same term and same underlying asset. Straddle, long straddle will be looking like what? V. The shapes are always predefined, so it looks like what? V. The pattern looks like V. And short straddle is going to be like a A. Okay, next. Strangle. What is a long strangle? Tell me. Hold a call, hold a put on the same underlying asset, same period, but different strike price. Which will have more strike price? Call will have. Which will have less strike price? Yeah, put will have. These all, we cannot change them. All these are predefined strategies in the market. Everybody, yes or no? No. This is what we call as a strangle, long strangle. Short strangle, tell me the strategy. Write a call, write a put for the same asset, same maturity period, but with what? Different strike price. The strike price of the call is higher and strike price of put is lower. Is what we discussed till now. Respond yes or no. Now, 4 more strategies. These 8 only is generally asked in the exam. There are so many other strategies also there in the say market. We can even search net to see the various option strategies along with their payoff diagrams, etc. We don't discuss all of them for 2 reasons. One is these strategies even need not be discussed. They are very straightforward calculations only, no great conceptual discussion, only patterns you are seeing how the cash flows behaves. But still we should be having some idea for the examination. Hence I am discussing the popular strategies. Okay, there are so many combinations we are having in the market regarding this options, call option and then put option. Now what we are discussing is call and put on same maturity. No, I can hold a call with 3 months maturity, put with 6 months. Across maturity also there are lot of strategies. We are not discussing them only for the sake of time constraint as well as somewhat irrelevance in the examination. Can I proceed or not? Now, next we are going to discuss about a concept called as what? Spread. Next is the spread. The strategy is called as spread. 4 spreads we are going to mainly discuss. One is bull spread with call option, bull spread with put option, bear spread with call option, and bear spread with put option. Lastly, one spread is called as what? Butterfly spread. We'll be discussing at the end. Can I start or not? Now, these are the 4 spreads we're going to mainly now discuss. These 4 spreads are once again very popular in the market. Bull spread as well as bear spread with call option and put option. Can I start or not? Now, please. See, holder is like a batsman, correct? Rider is like a bowler. It's what I'm saying. Cricket, that's a position. Now, batsman always at an advantage. Bowler has to obey the batsman. Right or not? Holder is like a batsman. Rider is what? A bowler. Okay. Now, if you are both a batsman and bowler, you are being called as what? All-rounder. Yes or no? No. Spread is like an all-rounder where you take a position of holder as well as what? Rider. In all the previous 4 strategies, either you hold or you want, right? Long strangle, long strangle, long straddle. You're going to be what? Holder of both options. Short, they're going to be what? Rider. Now, a person is going to simultaneously take a position as what? Holder and then rider. Such a position we call as what? Spread. Whenever you see the word spread, it means a person is taking in the option market 2 positions, namely what? Holder and then what? Rider. That's what we call as a strategy called as spread. Enna parade or not? Now, see. Spread can be of 2 types. Bull spread and then bear spread. Okay, please. What is a bull spread? The strategies are defined, don't question. Okay, what the bull spread here? Bull spread is you hold an option with a low strike price. X means what? Strike price. And you also what? Write an option with high strike price. This is what we call as what? Bull spread. Okay. In case of bear spread, we are going to hold an option with what? High strike price, and we are going to write an option with what? Low strike price. This is bull spread and then what? Bear spread. Respond. Yes or no? Now, what is bull spread? You hold the option with the low strike price and write option with the high strike price. Bear spread, you hold the option with the high strike price and write with the low strike price. Up to this, are you following on? Now, you can hold and write a call option, right or not? Or you can hold and write what? Put option. Same way can also happen here. Yes or no? So there are 2 types of bull spread. One is what? Bull spread with call option and is bull spread with put option. Similarly, you can have what? 2 bear spread. Namely what? Bear spread with call option and bear spread with put option. Respond, are you all following or not? Now, rumba simple here. Suppose the exam question says, find the payoff of a bull spread with call option. Payoff of what? Bull spread with call option. Tell me a strategy. You are having a bull spread with call option. Now, what is strategy? Hold a call with a low strike price, write a call with a high strike price. Bull spread with put option, what is strategy? Hold a put with a low strike price, write a put with the high strike price. Don't put your own opinions and all, that's all. Are you following what I am saying? Why it is called as bull bear? We'll be discussing later after seeing the payoffs. Can I say? Now, tell me, bear spread with call option, what is the formula? Hold a call with high strike price, write a call with low strike price. What is bear spread with put option? Hold a put with high strike price, write a put with low strike price. Innappa right or not? Now, this we call as a spread. Now tell me, what is bear spread with put option? Wait. Good morning, friends. Good morning, sir. We wrote it here. Can I say it now? Tell me, be alive, be away. Can I say it now? What is bear spread with put option? Hold a put with what? High strike price. Write a put with low strike price. What is bull spread with put option? Hold a put with low strike price. Write a put with high strike price. What is bear spread with call option? Hold a call with high strike price. Write a call with low strike price. What is bear spread with say bull spread with call option? Hold a call with low strike price. Write a call with high strike price. Very simple. Hold low, write high is what? Bull. Hold high, write low is called as what? Bear. It can be with call option as well as what? Put option. Up to this, everybody, are you following or not? Now, next. For the answering the question, one more thing has to be understood. What is the premium for which option? Call option and put option. One should know the premium amount identification. One small discussion before you go for the problem. Okay, now. Call premium and then put premium. Okay, now you tell me, strike price can be high, strike price can be what? Low. Yes or no? Now, there is a call option with a high strike price. There is a call option with what? High strike price. Just imagine and tell me, for the call option, the premium charge will be less or more? Think பண்ணி சொல்லணும்பா. Now, you should not be lazy to think. Everybody ஒரு energetic இருப்பா. Don't be listening, always think ahead of me. Can I say? Now, strike price what? High. Okay. There is a call option with a high strike price. The call option is what? High strike price. If you want to answer much more clearly, I'll give you two examples. There is one call option with a strike price of 100. Another call option with a strike price of 150. Which call you like? 100 strike price call or 150 call? You like 100 call or 150 call? Why 100 call? That gives you a right to buy at 100. That gives right to buy at what? 150. 100 call is more attractive. Yes or no? More attractive, more the price. Yeah. Yes or no? Are you following what I? If I give a right to buy at a cheaper price, that right is more valuable. Are you following what I'm saying? So, when the strike price is high, call premium will be what? Low. The call premium will be low. Accept or not? No. Next. Put option. When the strike price is high, put is attractive or less attractive? You want to know when strike price is high, put is attractive or less attractive? You want to know. Now, tell me. I give you a put option with a strike price of 100, another option with a strike price of what? 150. Are you listening? Now, tell me which you will like it. 100 strike price or 150? Why 150? One is a right to sell at 100, another is a right to sell at what? 150. Which is more attractive, right? 150. In that case, I'll go for the highest strike price put option. So no. Now, put option with a high strike price will be having what? Will be having a high premium. Ennappa accepted? Now, next. Don't say opposite. Yosikama sollappa, yochu sollu. Okay, now think and tell me. Now, call premium. Strike price of call option is lower. Attractive call, less attractive call. Attractive call. Here gives me a right to buy at what? Cheaper price. Call become what? Attractive. Attractive the call. What happens to premium? Premium becomes what? High. Put option with a low strike price, attractive, unattractive, unattractive. The premium will be what? Low. Also, one should be knowing it. Everybody, yes or no? Now, so the premium on an option depends on what? Strike price. Now, there are so many factors influencing premium. In Black-Scholes, later we'll be discussing that there are 5 factors which are influences on premium of an option, namely the spot price of the asset, the strike price of the option, the term of the option, the volatility or the standard deviation of what? The stock prices. All this is going to affect what? The maturity period of the option. All this is going to affect what? The option premium. But here we discuss only one angle, namely the strike price affecting the premium. Everybody following or not? Now, tell me this, everybody have the clarity here? Up to this, let us have a brief notes and then start doing another 4 problems. You should be completing. Now the time is what? 6:55. Now, before 8 o'clock, we should complete what? All the remaining 4 sums. Copying time only, no discussion time. So, how fast you copy, we can complete the 4 sums. By 8, we should start with the continuous compounding. Can I proceed or not? Now, please. For energy should be there. Can I proceed? Write down. Spread. Give the heading. Spread. Please. Shh. Spread. Point number 1. Spread is a situation wherein a person takes the role of holder and writer. Spread is a situation wherein a person takes a role of holder and writer. A person takes role of holder and writer. Can I proceed or not? Next, point number 2. Spread can be classified as follows. Spread can be classified as follows. Branch it into 2. Bull spread, bear spread. Spread can be classified as follows. Branch it into 2. Bull spread, bear spread. Bull spread, put the down arm and write hold option. Put down and write hold option. Put a hyphen and write low strike price. Hold option, low strike price. Right option, high strike price. Hold option, low strike price. Right option, high strike price. Bear spread, put a down arrow mark and write. Bear spread, down mark and write. Hold option. Hold option, put a hyphen and write. What strike price? High strike price. Hold option, high strike price. Right option, low strike price. Right option, low strike price. Right option, low strike price. Now, I don't want to continue the chart like this, then you may understand differently. Hold, call, right, put and so on. So I don't want to have that particular confusion. Let's say the separate point. Point number 2 and 3. 3. This bull spread and bear spread can be created on what? Call option or put option. This bull spread and bear spread can be created on call option or put option. This bull spread and bear spread can be created on call option or put option. Call option or put option. Okay. Now, have 2 columns. Name, strategy. Have 2 columns. Name, strategy. Just to be more clear. Okay. Name and then strategy. Name right, bull spread with call. Name right, bull spread with call. Bull spread with call. Bull spread with call. Tell me the strategy. Everybody tell me what is strategy? Hold the call. Strategy right. Hold strategy right. Hold the call with low strike price. Hold the call with low strike price. And write a call with high strike price. Hold a call with low strike price and write a call with high strike price. So bull spread with call, name you write, strategy right, hold a call with low strike price and write a call with high strike price. Enough right or not? Now, second, What is the second strategy name? Bull spread with put option. Apply mind and right. Bull spread with put option. Bull spread with name one the bull spread with put option. Your strategy I am dictating, yes or no? Bull spread with put option. Bull spread with put option. Tell me what is bull spread with the put option? Tell me what is it here? Hold a put with low strike price. Strategy right. Hold a put with low strike price. Hold a put with low strike price. Hold a put with low strike price. And what? Write a put with high strike price. Hold a put with low strike price and write a put with high strike price. Hold a put with low strike price and write a put with high strike price. Can I proceed or not? Third. What third strategy? Bear spread with call. Third strategy, bear spread with call. Name of the third strategy is bear spread with call. Tell me what is a strategy bear spread with call? Hold a call with high strike price. Hold a call with high strike price. Hold a call with high strike price and tell me and what? Write a call with low strike price. Hold a call with high strike price and write a call with low strike price. And write a call with low strike price. Write a call with low strike price. Last, what is the last strategy? Bear spread with put option. Bear spread with put option. Bear spread with put option. Strategy, hold a put with high strike price. Hold a put with high strike price. Hold a put with high strike price. And then what? Write a put with low strike price. Write a put with low strike price. Hold a put with high strike price. Write a put with low strike price. Everybody understanding the strategies or not? Now, write down. Next point number 2 or 3 or 4 or some number you tell me. Point number 4. Write down next point number 4. Premium on an option. Premium on an option is closely related to. Premium on an option is closely related to. Premium on an option is closely related to strike price. Premium on an option is closely related to strike price. Premium on an option is closely related to strike price. Can I proceed or not? Now, have the following columns. Strike price, call premium, put premium. Have the following column. Strike price, call premium and then put premium. Strike price, call premium, put premium. The word X can be used to represent what? Strike price. X means what? Exercise price. Okay, now. Strike price high. Strike price high. High strike price, what the call premium? Low. Put premium high. Low strike price. What is the call premium? High. Put premium low. Low strike price, call premium high, put premium low. Everybody understanding it or not? No. This is regarding the call premium and put premium with the strike prices. Can I proceed? Now, that's all. Can we do the problems or not? Next to 4 sums, no more extra discussion. Let us straight away start doing the problems. Okay, now. Please take question number 12. Take question number 12. Consider two calls on the same underlying asset. The calls have the same expiration date and exercise price of 80 and then 90. If the call cost 12 rupees and 4 rupees. What are the 12 rupees and 4 rupees called? Premium. Cost of the share is a share price. Cost of the call is what? The call price, which you call as what? Premium. Respectively, complete the following table showing the value and the profits on bull spread at expiration using these two calls. Can I proceed or not? Now, first of all, answer my question. What are the two calls? Calls with a strike price of 80, call with a strike price of 90. Now, without referring the question, with a strike price, tell me 12 rupees is a premium for a 90 rupees caller, 80 rupees caller. 80 and 90. Why you say 80? Lesser the strike price, more the call premium. Even if they don't give respectively, one should be able to what? Link it properly. Right or not? Now, 4 rupees is the premium for 80 rupees call or 90 rupees call, 90. And higher the strike price, less attractive the call becomes, lesser the premium. I think you're all following or not? Now. And now they said they want to take what position? Bull spread. Tell me you are having a bull spread. Now tell me we are going to be holding a call option and writing a call option or not. How we are going to hold and write? Spread is a position. What spread? Bull spread. What is bull spread? Hold. Model simple as what is bull spread? Call and I'll leave it. What is bull spread? Hold. Low strike price, right? High strike price. Now the strategy is what? Hold a call with low strike price and write a call with high strike price. That's what are you following or not? Now, I am going to hold a call with the strike price how much? 80. And write a call with the strike price how much? 90. For holding 80 rupees strike price call, I should receive premium or pay premium or pay. How much will I pay as premium? 12 rupees. For writing 90 rupees call, I will be receiving or paying premium, receiving. How much premium receive? 4 rupees. Now the net premium is paid or received or paid. Or net premium paid? Minus 8. Or 8 rupees net premium paid. Yes or no? No. In fact, understand that I am a net holder. I am not a net writer. I am going to be what? Net holder because the strategy makes me what? Pay the premium and not receive premium. Ennappa, right or not? So I am a net holder, net writer, net holder. I am a net holder paying a premium of how much rupees? 8 rupees. Why 8 rupees? Yeah, 12 rupees premium paid, 4 rupees premium received. I am a net holder and the call holding is for 80, writing is for what? 90. Ennappa, right or not? Can I start seeing the payoff in this particular case or not? No. Let's start with the solution. Like the previous sum, we should do the solution together. Can we start? No. Let's quickly go through. What is the spread? Already discussed. Spread is a situation where investor takes a role of what? Holder and writer. Bull spread with call option. Okay, there's a mistake here. What is the mistake here? Yeah? The buffalo, not bull. Investor holds a call. The culture photo photo. Can I say? No. Investor holds a call with the low strike price and writes a call with the higher strike price. Can I proceed or not? No. Shh. Okay. Bull spread call has been discussed. The problem is now going to be started. Now, all of you open the columns quickly. We'll be doing it together. Okay. Shh. Hearing voices, please. Can I start now? Finish opening the columns or not? Okay, shall I proceed? Now, they ask you to do for what strike price? 70 onwards. Strike price is 70. You will read it together. Don't be feeling monotonous. Apply your mind and tell me. Okay, first. I am having a right to buy at 80, a share worth what? 70. Will I exercise or lapse or lapse? When a lapse or call is worthless for me. Option is not used, it has become worthless. What is the value of the call? 0. How much premium I have paid? Everybody, 12 rupees. Premium paid is 12 rupees. Payoff is what? Minus 12. Payoff is minus 12. Now, other party, I will decide or he will decide or he will. I am a writer of a call. Who will decide? Holder. He has a right to buy at 90. A share worth what? 70. Will he exercise or lapse or lapse? So what is the value of the call? 0. What is the premium received? 4. What is the payoff? 4. Minus 12 plus 4 gives you what? Minus 8. That gives you minus 8. Shall I proceed? Next. 75. Will I exercise or lapse or lapse? 0 minus 12 minus 12. 0 minus 12 minus 12. Will the other party exercise or lapse or lapse? That's what? 0, 4, 4. The net payoff is going to be minus 8. The payoff is going to be minus 8. Can I proceed? 80. Will I exercise or lapse or indifferent? I have a right to buy at 80. The share worth what? 80. Any of the call is what? Worthless. 0 minus 12 minus 12. Will other party exercise or lapse or lapse? It is also what? 0, 4, 4. Understanding and writing it up, tell me the net payoff is what? Minus 8. The net payoff is minus 8. 85. Will I exercise or lapse or? I have a right to buy at 80. The share worth what? 85. I will exercise. What is the value of the call? 5 rupees. What is the premium? Minus 12. What is net payoff? Minus 7. Will the other party exercise or lapse or lapse? What is the call value? 0, 4, 4. The bull spread payoff is minus 3. The payoff is minus 3. Ennappa right arm? Now 90. Okay. Now before that, just last class end. So many person asked a doubt. I'll just clarify the doubt and then proceed. So the doubt should never arise. It is a very basic thing in the mind. Now let me discuss and then proceed. Okay. Now let's take 85. Let's take what? 85. Call option is having how much strike price? 80. What is the FSP? 85. Now look at this. FSP is 85 and the strike price is what? 80. Let's see holder and then what? Writer. Two parties are there. Yes or no? Now tell me. Holder will exercise or lapse? Exercise. We said holder makes a profit of 5. Premium leave it. It makes what? Profit of 5. Then knock off premium for pay of later. Okay. Writer makes what? Loss of 5. So many people, I had at least 8 to 10% coming and asking me the doubt about this. How sir they'll make a profit of 5 or what? Loss of 5. Now, understand this very simply. So many ways in which the 5 rupees can be earned here. Now, holder will buy. That is, this is after what? 3 months. Okay. On the maturity date, holder will exercise or not? He is having a right to buy at what? 80. Holder will buy at 80 rupees. Yes or no? Okay. Now, we can say like this. Holder give 80 rupees to the writer. Remember the holder gives what? 80 rupees to the writer and get a share worth what? 80. And get a share at 80 rupees and sells it immediately in what? Share market. Today is how much rupees here? 85. He can make a profit of 5 rupees. Innappa accepted that? Yes or no? No. Another option is holder says, see, I am making 5 rupees profit or not. Instead of I giving you 80 and you give me 1 share, I am selling you, give me 5 rupees. Enough. Are you following what I am saying? Is it up? Don't you understand this or should I explain once again? Two parties are the holder writer. Okay. Now, see. There is a holder, that is a writer. Okay. First, contract is fully undertaken. Contract is what? Fully undertaken. What is promised, everything is done as it is. Okay. What happens is, first, the writer buys shares. He has to sell the share to holder or not. So, on the maturity date, the holder asks for the share or not. The writer buys the shares in what market? Stock market. At how much rupees? 85. For the writer, he has to deliver share or not? How can he deliver share? Yeah, can he deliver by stealing share? No, he has to what? Buy the share. Now, on the maturity date, the holder says, I am going to exercise the option. Writer should know buy the share or not. So the writer buys the share. How much rupees? Yeah, 85. Accept or not? And then sells the share to what? Holder. And how much rupees? Yeah, 80. And he's having what? Yeah, minus 5 rupees cash outflow. Now, what happens? Yeah, the holder is going to what? Buy the share. From whom? Writer. At how much rupees? 80. Immediately what? Sells. At how much rupees? Yeah, 85. And makes a positive cash. How much rupees? Yeah, 5 rupees. Response yes or no? Now, the holder writer says, why should you buy outside? Why should I sell what outside? Unnecessarily broker will be making money. Now, rarely, mostly this is all option traded contracts. Now, what happens is, holder and writer says, I'll pay you 5 rupees, you take 5 rupees. That's all. Yes or no? Settled. Anyhow, he is going to buy and sell. He is going to what? Buy and sell. He buys at the market price. He sells at what? Market price. Let it get what? Cancelled. Let us not make you need not pay me 80. Say you need not pay me what? 80. I need not give you one share and that. Let us settle the different. Let's settle what? Different. 5 rupees I will give you. You take what? 5 rupees. Matter settled. Respond. Yes or no? This is how mostly the option contract gets settled. Is what mostly in the trade, this is how most option contract gets settled. We'll learn this much more in futures where there's something called as MTM procedure, mark to market procedure. For each and every day this gets what settled. Are you following what I'm saying? So understand that very simple. Don't think that call option holder will be buying share and then what? Selling. Or put on holder will mean what? Selling shares by what? Buying it from outside market. They can even make the payoff by what? Simply settling of the money. Okay. Writer pays holder what? Minus 5. So the writer can either have zero outflow or what? Negative outflow. But he can never have a positive outflow. Yes or no? Why a writer cannot have positive outflow? If the share price what? Decreases, the holder allows the option to what? Last, and the holder's value from the call, he can either get zero cash flow or what? Positive cash flow. Option can never give a negative cash flow for the holder. Yes or no? The cash flow will become negative if I net off premium only. Get back. The premium is the price for the option. But generally when I buy an option, from the option I always get only what? Positive cash flows only, because when the situation is negative, I allow it to what? Lapse and make it a zero. Everybody yes or no? And don't think that one should buy the share or what? Sell it, because last class they asked a question. So put option, you said he'll be selling the share. He has not yet bought the share. Okay, no problem. On the same day, buy the share in what? Open market and then sell it. Everybody understanding it or not? So don't think that put option holder should be already holding share to write a person to go for a put option holding. In a put option holder has got what? Right to sell or not. So don't think that he has got a right to sell after 3 months now. You should be keeping share what? Today. It is not necessary, because after 3 months he can buy and what? Sell if he wants. Are you following what I'm saying? There is no link between having a share and what? Going for an option. We can trade in option without having what? Share. Are you following what I'm saying? Now, and the underlying asset is only for what? It is only for what? That should be some asset on which contract should be what? Created. It is not at all necessary that the asset should be delivered or the full money should be what? Received or paid. Even the net amount can be knocked off and paid or received. Everybody following or not? Now, tell me, there is a put option. Please, all of you, there is a put option with a strike price of 90 and the FSP is 60. Now, holder, writer. Okay. Holder of a put is having a right to sell at what? 90. Should he have the share to sell now? Because until maturity date, he may not have what? Any share. On the maturity date, if he says what he can say? He can buy at 60, immediately what? Exchange the put and sell at what? 90, make a profit of 30 rupees. Yes or no? Now, put option writer will be what? Buying at what? 90. In a holder exchange, I'm buying at what? 90. And selling the outside market, how much is 60. And makes a profit, makes a loss of what? 30. In the pattern, no. That means holder of a put option need not hold that share before. On the maturity date, he can buy the share at what? 60. And sell the share at what? 90 rupees. Make a profit of 30. Yes or no? No. Don't think that all thing you should do. The both parties need not buy the share Need not sell the share. He is making a gain from the contract. How much rupees? 30. The contract make him lose what? 30. Very simple. One person is having a contract worth 30. Another is having a contract worth what? Minus 30. What he should do? Pay him 30. Contract close. Yes or no? If you understand, go to the outside market and purchase how much rupees? 60 rupees, the share what becomes 90. Everybody follow what I am saying? So option contracts to be settled. It is not that underlying asset should be delivered and what? The money to be taken. Even the amount can be netted off and the contract can be settled only through the values. Are you following what I am saying? May the clarity irka? Now, let me discussing more about all these issues in the later stages. Please tell me, because at this basic stage only, I can tell you more about the transaction so that you understand in the later stages the valuation part. Are you all following what I am saying? Now, we are just deviated from the discussion. Now we are discussing about what spread? Bull spread. Yamarga? Now, can I proceed? Now, continue writing. Now, the next price is what? 90. All of you. Next price is 90. Will you exercise the call, allow the call to lapse? Exercise. Right to buy at 80, the share worth what? 90. What value of the call? 10 rupees. Now tell me, how I can earn 10? The writer can give me 10, that's all. Are you following? Nobody need to buy the share or sell the share also. Can I proceed? Now, what's the premium on that particular option? 12 rupees. What's the payoff? Minus 2. Tell me, call writer. The other party will exercise lapse. Exercise or lapse? Exercise or? Exercise or lapse. The value of the call is what? 0. What the premium? 4. The payoff is 4. The net payoff is 2 rupees. Ennappa right or not? Now. 95. Will I exercise or lapse? Exercise. What is the profit for me? 15. What is the premium paid? 12. What is the payoff? 3. Other party will exercise or lapse? Exercise. He has a right to buy at 90. A share worth what? 95. He is having how much profit? 5 rupees. I should pay him how much rupees? 5 rupees for the position. What is the premium? 4. What is the payoff? Minus 1. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. Next is 100. Will I exercise or lapse? Exercise. What is the profit for me? 20. I have a right to buy at 80, a share what? 100. The profit for me is 20. What is the premium? Minus 12. What is the payoff? 8. Other party will exercise and lapse? Exercise. He has a right to buy at 90. A share what? 100. What is the profit for him? 10. I should pay him 10. What is the premium? 4. What is the payoff? Minus 6. 8 minus 6 gives you what? 2 rupees. Ennappa right down? Now. Tell me 105. Will I exercise or lapse? Exercise. What is the profit for me? 25. Why 25? I have a right to buy at 80. A share worth what? 105. It is 25. What is the premium? Minus 12. What is the payoff? 13. Other party will exercise or lapse? Last. Exercise or lapse? Exercise. He has a right to buy at 90. A share worth what? 105. What is the profit for him? 15. For me the loss is what? 15. What the premium? 4. The payoff is minus 11. The bull spread payoff is 2. Last number is what? 110. Will I exercise or lapse? Exercise. Right to buy at 80. A share what? 110. What the profit for me? 30. The premium is 12. The payoff is 88. Other party will exercise. He makes a profit of 20. Loss for me is 20. Premium 4. Payoff is minus 16. The bull spread payoff is 2. Everybody accept it? My son, no. This is regarding the bull spread with call option payoff streams. Can I proceed or not? No. Let us observe and then proceed further. Okay, how their strategy works. Okay. Now, situation and then what? Status. Shh. Understand that below 80, below what? 80, both of us will allow the call to lapse. Get about. I have a right to buy at 80. He has a right to buy at what? 90. We all will exercise only when the FSP is more than what? Strike price. If the actual futures price is below 80, my call also will lapse. His call also will what? Lapse. Both options will be what? Lapse. In that case, I'll end up in paying a net premium of 8 rupees at the last. Yeah, correct. So when FSP is below 80, I end up in paying what? A net premium of minus A. That's going to be a loss. Yes or no? Now, loss of 8 due to the net premium paid. Now, next. When the FSP is what? Above 90, both the option will be exercised. Yes or no? When FSP is above 90, I will exercise my 80 rupees call option. Will exercise what? Is 90 rupees call option. Now, what happens is, in this portfolio, there's a logged-in spread of 10 rupees. And I have a right to buy at 80. I have an obligation to what? Sell at 90. Now, suppose FSP is 105 rupees. How much is 105 rupees? Now, no spread. Now, if I hold up a call with 80, now, my property is what? 25. But I'm also what? Writing a call with what? 90. In that case, what happens is, I lock myself to a spread of how much rupees here? 10 rupees. Because I have a right to buy at 80 and I have an obligation to sell at what? 90. In that case, I'll always make what? A profit of 10 rupees after 9 rupees. So no, 90 rupees and not. Now, 10 rupees a spread profit or not. In that, how much a premium gone? 8 rupees. And what is the profit here? 2 rupees. I make after 90 FSP. I don't know. Now, we see FSP after 90, always the number is what? 2 rupees payoff. Why does always 2 rupees payoff? The payoff from the spread is how much? 10 rupees. How I have a right to buy at 80. I have an obligation to sell at 90. The spread gives me a payoff how much rupees here? 10 rupees. To get the spread payoff of 10 rupees, I am paying how much premium? 8 rupees. So the net spread payoff is 2 rupees. Accept or not? Now, tell me. FSP more than 90, this is. Now, the next issue is, what is break-even FSP? One should be knowing it or not? Now. This is call option or put option. Answer. Call option or put option or call option. Call option formula. What is break-even FSP formula? Strike price plus premium. Everybody yes or no? No. Premium is 8 rupees. Correct premium how much is 8 rupees. Now you all will be getting confused. Sir, what strike price should I add to 80, 90? Question arises now. Strike price plus premium is equal to break-even FSP. Yes or no? So add the 8 rupees premium to 80, 90. Question arises now? 80 or 90? 80. Now, very simple. How to identify is, tell me, I am a net holder, I am a net writer. How are you a net holder? You are paying 8 rupees premium. So I am going to be what? Net holder. The net holder, go for the holding strike price. Are you following what I am saying? Correct. Now, what is the holding strike price? 80 or 90? 80. Plus what? Premium 8. Gives you what? 88. Now, when the FSP is what? 80 to 88, it is what? 80 to 88. I am going to have what? Loss. But the loss will be reducing from 876, etc. Is or not? And the break-even FSP is 88. After the 88, I'll be making what? Profit. At 88, the profit is 1 rupee. 90, the profit is what? 2 rupees. From then on, becomes what? 2 rupees forever. Everybody, right or not? Should I repeat? Can I proceed? Those who want to repeat, raise a hand. Okay, I'll repeat once again. See. Number 1. You are having a call, you are holding a call, writing a call. It's not enough. What is strike price of call holding? 80. What is strike price of call writing? 90. Think your position. You have a right to buy at what? 80. You have an obligation to sell at what? 90. Is it clarity? Now, if the FSP is below 80, FSP is what? Below 80. Will you exercise your call? Yes or no? No. Will the other party, writer, exercise his call or not? No. In both cases, call will be what? Lapse. So I have received a premium of 4. I paid a premium how much rupees here? 12. I lose a net premium of 8 rupees. Accepted. Now, if the FSP is more than 90, FSP is what? More than 90. Will I exercise my 80 rupees call? Yes. I have a right to buy at 80. Yes, I have worth what? More than 90. And exercise my call or not? Yes. So, next party. Other party, holder of a call with what? 90 strike price. Will he exercise or not? Yes. He is having a right to buy at 90. In that case, both of us will exercise our calls. I have a right to buy at what? 80. And I have an obligation to sell at what? 90. Hence, I buy at 80, sell at what? 90. I make a spread profit of 10 rupees. To earn this 10, how much I spend premium? 8 rupees. What the net payoff here? 2 rupees. So FSP more than 90, now always the payoff is what? 2 rupees. FSP less than 80 means what? Always the loss is what? 8 rupees. Upon 80 into 90, I'll be having from minus 8 going to plus 2. Now, what is the break-even FSP? Strike price plus premium. I am a net holder, net writer, net holder. So, what is the holding strike price? 80. Add premium, how much base? 8. So, the FSP is what? 88 is break-even FSP. So, 80 into 88, I will be having what? Loss. And after 88, I will be having what? The profit. Innappa right or not? This because of payoff of the holder, payoff of a bull spread with call option. Can I proceed? Now, look at the diagram. That's what diagram looks like. Please, all of you, tell me. When FSP is what? Above this number, tell me, are you all seeing the arrow mark or not? No. This number is what? Everybody? 88. The number is what? 88. Above 88, I start making what? Profit. So at 90, my profit is what? 2. Above 90, my profit is always what? 2. At 80, the profit is what? 0. Below 80, I will be incurring what? Losses. At 80, my loss is maximum what? Minus 8. Below 80, I have a loss of minus 8. Above 90, I will be having a profit of what? 2. From 80 to 90, the minus 8 becomes what? Plus 2. It becomes 0 to what? 88. I have the clarity or not? This is so one should be understanding the diagram of what? A bull spread with call option. Respond, yes or no? Yes, sir. Okay, can you copy the slide first? Copy this first quickly. Please copy this. I think, have you finished copying the previous slides or not? Okay, now. This you can write in the workbook itself. If you have space, write in the workbook itself. Please copy this. Nothing but portion value and then payoff. Portion value is the value without reducing the premium, and payoff is after reducing the premium. Please. Finish coming on? Shall I proceed on? Please. Can I have the next slide or not? No. Finish copying up. Stop talking. How I got profit of 2? Spread is 10, premium paid is 8. It gives me 2 rupees profit. Please. Shh. Finish copying up. Shall I proceed? No. Can I proceed or not? Write down. Note. break even FSP, note right point number 1, break even FSP is equal to, tell me what is the formula? Strike price plus premium. Break even FSP is equal to strike price plus premium. Point number 2. Since we have net premium payable, we are a net holder. Since we have net premium payable, we are net holder. Everybody understanding it or not? Because I am a holder now. Since net premium is payable, we are net holder. We are net holder. Therefore, the premium should be added to. Therefore, the premium should be added to. Fill in the blanks. The premium should be added to what? Holding strike price. The premium should be added to holding strike price. The premium should be added to holding strike price. Break even FSP is equal to, write the formula, break even FSP is equal to 80 plus 8. Break even FSP is equal to 80 plus 8 is equal to 88. Break even FSP is equal to 80 plus 8 is equal to 88. Can I proceed up? Now, copy the diagram quickly. We have payoff and then FSP. This number is 88. Below 80, I will be having a loss of minus 8. Above 90, I will be having a profit of 2. From this 80 to 90, from the minus 8 becomes what? Plus 2, meeting the x-axis at 88. Meeting the x-axis at 88. Finish copying, huh? Shall I proceed? Can I proceed? Now, with this we complete the problem on what? Bull spread with call option. Please, shh. Tell me, what is a strategy? What is a strategy? Hold a call with low strike price, write a call with high strike price. In the strategy, I am a net holder, net writer, net holder, paying a net premium of 8 rupees. I will be losing the entire premium when both options are lapsed. So when it is below 80, I lose the entire premium. But when it is above 90, both options will be exercised, in which I lock myself to a spread of how much rupees? 10 rupees. Because I have a right to buy at 80, I have an obligation to sell at 90. The 10 rupees spread requires what? 8 rupees premium always gives me what? 2 rupees. This is spread minus premium. This is what? Premium loss. In between from the loss, I go to what? Profit, where a break even at 88 is the meaning. Everybody understanding it or not? Now, let's go to the next problem. Problem number 12 or 13? Problem number 13. Please take question number 13.